Before you panic that AI will take your job, or celebrate that AI will take away all your problems, stop. Because today, I'll be sharing with you what AI can do and what it can never be able to do, no matter how advanced it gets. And if you stay with me for a few minutes, you will walk away with the clearest understanding of AI you've ever had or you've ever watched. I promise, that's my promise to you. Hi, I'm Haruna. As usual, you can refer to me as your AI buddy. My mission is to make AI simple, useful, and understandable for everyone, especially students, teachers, and everyday people who want to stay ahead in this new digital age. Today's topic is extremely important because many people either overestimate AI or underestimate it, and either ways have great consequences, which can lead to fear, confusion, or missed opportunities. AI is extremely powerful at tasks that require speed, pattern recognition, repetition, data processing, and automation. For example, AI can analyze thousands of documents in seconds. It can write codes faster than any human. It can write lesson plans, quiz, and summaries instantly. And also, it can help you brainstorm ideas you never thought of. It can also automate boring and repetitive tasks, which often takes time. And yes, AI can outperform humans in certain narrow tasks or activities such as translation, transcription, or some other kind of problem solving. In simple words, AI is a super fast assistant that never get tired, never get bored, and also it never requires salary. It works 24/7 at your service. Now, here's the part that most people don't understand. AI may be smart, but it has its own limits. And understanding this limit is what separates the smart users from the confused ones. AI cannot think for itself. You as a user, you have to think of what you want to achieve. And also, AI doesn't feel emotion. It is a machine. It doesn't feel emotion. And also, AI doesn't understand context fully. So, whichever task you are giving to an AI, you make sure that you present the context to the AI. Because without context, all you get is garbage in, garbage out. You might not be able to get the exact output that you are looking for. Another thing is, AI cannot replace human values. Values are inbuilt and we develop them through day-to-day interaction, just like our soft skills, communication, integrity, and all of that stuff. So AI as a machine cannot replace that. It cannot do that. And also, AI cannot be creative without direction. So if you want creativity out of AI, it has to be an augmentation, not a total replacement. So you use AI alongside your creative mind to bring out something creative. But without direction, all you get like garbage in, garbage out. Now, lastly, on what AI cannot do is AI cannot solve problems it wasn't trained for. For instance, you have a financial issue. You can't just take ChatGPT and think that you'll get a solution to that. ChatGPT might bring out suggestions, but it can't really solve that problem for you. And also, there are so many tools out there. Every tool has its own usage. So be mindful of the problem you are getting and the AI tool you'll be using. If you want me to make a video on the different tools you can use for different problems to solve, I can do that. Now, let's proceed. So, understand that AI cannot and does not understand real life consequences. So, be mindful of the problems you attach to AI and also be mindful of the output you get from AI. It can only give advice or ideas on how you can solve a particular problem, but you must be the filter, you must guide it, and you must ensure that it aligns with human goals. AI is a tool, it's an intelligence, but not a replacement of human intelligence. The job of a person who knows how to use it, but it will replace the job of a person who refuses to learn how to use it. The simple truth: AI is like electricity. You don't need to be an engineer to use electricity. That is the same way that you don't need to be a super user or a when you refuse to use AI. So, the people who will succeed in the coming years are not the ones who know the most. They are the ones who knows how to use AI to multiply. So stop asking yourself, will AI instead? Start asking yourself, how can I use AI to become more valuable in the coming years? Here's the secret. We become unstoppable. But when we leave AI alone, the technology stand on its own alone without us using it, then the AI that itself, the technology itself becomes limited. And when we as humans also decide not to use AI, then we become slow in our activities. So you see, it is a win-win situation in this case. When humans leverage AI, AI becomes limited. And when to make sure that we are aligning ourselves with the trend, with the future of work, we need to make sure that we leverage AI in our activities so that we can see productivity and maximize our work. If you've enjoyed this breakdown and you want to truly understand what AI is in a simple and everyday language, hit the like button and subscribe, because my next videos will show you exactly how you can use AI in schools, in your business, and also in your daily life. And please, if you want more people to understand, please kindly share the produce an AI literate continent. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.